Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting new feature in Roblox, how to enable the in-app camera on your PC. This new update lets you take your gaming experience to the next level, allowing you to share your adventures and creativity like never before. Let's get started. First, you'll want to access your Windows settings. Head over to the Start menu and click on the gear icon to open settings. Once you're in, navigate to the Privacy section. This is where you'll manage the permissions for your camera and microphone. Next, look for the camera and microphone tabs on the left side. Click on each one, and you'll see toggles that control app access. Make sure to turn both of these toggles to on. This step is crucial because it allows Roblox to access your camera and microphone, enabling that fantastic in-app feature. Now, let's ensure that Discord can access your camera too. While you're still in the privacy settings, scroll down until you find the list of apps under Choose which apps can access your camera or microphone. Locate the Discord app and make sure it's enabled. If it isn't, toggle it to on. This way, you can seamlessly communicate with friends while enjoying your Roblox gameplay. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the in-app camera in Roblox on your PC. Now you're all set to capture those epic moments, share your adventures, and enhance your gaming experience with friends like never before. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy gaming!